The test of lead ions. We said before that the lead ions can be identified by the reaction of lead containing solution and diluted hydrochloric acid. The procedure can be done by the addition of 10 drops of lead containing solution like lead nitrate and hydrochloric acid, and 3 drops of hydrochloric acid. Observe the formation of white precipitate of lead chloride. So the appearance of this white precipitate indicates the presence of lead ions in the solution. Now we have to confirm the test, and this can be done by the dissolving of this precipitate. At first we have to discard the solution. We have to discard the supernatant. Now we have to wash this precipitate to get rid of the ions of chloride and the ions of lead. We can wash this precipitate by the addition of 10 drops of distilled water. We have to mix gently to wash the precipitate. We have to discard the supernatant or the fluid of washing. Now we have to add 20 drops of distilled water. Mix the mixture, and now we have to incubate this mixture in the water bath, in the boiling water bath, to dissolve the lead chloride precipitate to confirm the presence of lead ions. We will incubate this tube in the boiling bath for 5 minutes to dissolve the precipitate. After 5 minutes, the precipitate is dissolved, not completely dissolving. Now we have to confirm by the addition of potassium chromate to the supernatant only. We have to separate the supernatant from the precipitate. We said before that if the precipitate is not dissolved completely, we have to separate the dissolved part in another test tube. Here we have the lead chloride precipitate but dissolved in the hot. And we can confirm the presence of lead ions by the addition of potassium, 3 drops of potassium chromate. Observe the formation of yellow precipitate indicates the presence of lead ions and the formation of lead chromate. Thank you. Ferric test. We can identify the presence of ferric ions in a certain solution by the reaction between the ferric containing solution like ferric chloride with ammonium hydroxide to form ferric hydroxide, which has red-brown color. This can be performed by the addition of 5 drops of ferric containing solution like ferric chloride and 3 drops of ammonium hydroxide observe the formation of this red-brown precipitate of ferric hydroxide, which indicates the presence of ferric ions in the original solution. To confirm this test, we can make another test by the addition of hydrochloric acid and note the dissolving of this precipitate. Observe the dissolving of the precipitate by the addition of HCl, which indicates or confirms the structure of the ferric hydroxide precipitate. Calcium ions can be identified by the reaction of calcium containing solution like calcium nitrate and ammonium oxalate in an alkaline medium to form calcium oxalate, which is a white precipitate. In a clean dry test tube, we have to take 10 drops of calcium nitrate and 4 drops from the ammonia to obtain an alkaline medium. Shake gently to mix the contents and add 10 drops of ammonium oxalate and shake gently also. Observe the formation of white precipitate of ammonium oxalate, from calcium oxalate, and the presence or the formation or the appearance of this white precipitate indicates the presence of calcium in the solution. Thank you.